Many riders coast through life in quiet discontent, their dreams of adventure always on the horizon. My bike, it knows better. Oh, here it is, Big Trees Grove. Big Trees Grove. Cancel, Siri, cancel. Wow. Man, this is heaven right here. ADV California. Wow. It doesn't get any better. Some picnic areas. Damn, looks like some bears got in there, flipped over the picnic tables. Did some table flipping. That one's still good up there. Well, let's go check out the trailhead. The northernmost range of the giant sequoias. Look at these trees. I have to watch for bears out here. I'm sure they're out here. ADV California. Damn. I don't see any bear scratchings. So this one here, this is a redwoods tree. It's got this big burn mark on it. Look at that. Huh. They are not small. It looks like some of these trees have had it pretty rough since the last fire, but they are damn cool. A cool little trail that comes through here. They also got picnic tables up here, little barbecue pits. With all the recent fires in California, I'd be a little scared to have a barbecue going. I don't want to be that guy. Not today. Look at this. ADV California. Pretty cool little trail. I recommend everybody that comes up here, come check it out. Look at these giant trees. Okay, so we left that little picnic area up there at Big Tree Grove, and we got on trail number 16 when we were on our way back. This is trail 16, that's all I know. The sign said to share the road with motorcyclers and four-wheelers. So this is a Forest Service trail. One of these. I love those. And another one. Oh, there's another trail going down that way. Like some kind of campground or something. There was a campground way out off to the left. There was a bunch of trucks down there. Look at this. Yeah, I don't even know what to call this other number 16. Well, there ain't been a bunch of cars going this way, I'll tell you that much. Yeah, see the sign? 16. This isn't what I expected coming across at all. ADV California. This must have been an old logging road or something. Yeah, see that? Share the road. September to November? That seems like a short window. Boy, it don't look like anybody's ever been out here. Look at all the pine straw all over the place. I mean, it's not even dusted. Oh, we are at a crossroads. Trees across that one. Trees across that one. That might be a camp spot. Shoot, I don't even know where we are. Well, at least the bike's recording where we are. Well, heck, let's go up here. Oh, this looks good. Oh, boy. Gotta be careful on the pine straw. Oh. We're not doing any log crossing videos today. We'll leave that up to Brett Tex. We're out here at the crossroads of Trail 16. Pretty damn cool. And the giant sequoias. Well, let's head back. We're still recording. Let's go. Let's get it on. ADV California. Oh yeah. What a cool place this is. Okay, which way did I come from? Not that way. There's a lot of pine straw right here. That stuff turned right to ice. I love those. I think I already said that. So this road just keeps going. I don't even know where it goes, but it is damn cool. There's some more sequoias. ADV California. Well, thanks for coming along on the ride, including the little side trip we found, just checking out some dirt action. I wish I had done a little more research before we headed out this way, but I'll tell you right now, we're coming back. One way or another, we are coming back. Well, thanks for coming along the Mosquito Ridge ride, ADV California.